Hey guys, so behind me we have the original girls' bathroom for this school. You'll see some footage of what it looks like, but there were old methods, not too sanitary for today, and the health hazards that they present are dangerous to the students here. So one of Oglah's projects was to fund and finalize the newer bathroom, which you'll see here in the video to come. So believe it or not, this is the girls' restroom for the school. And the funding provided is going to have a more cleaner, sanitary unit for the girls.
This is girls' washroom. They need to build that another, and they need money to build that. They have stopped because of money.
So this is the original one, and then they're working on this one here, providing a little bit more privacy, a little bit more hygienic construction. And it's on its way, as you can see. It's being built. So this is an example of a finished bathroom and washroom. We actually have a sink here. We have doors. We have actual flushing.
And I thank you for coming to our school. Thanks.